Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this very amazing, refreshing cocktail based off vodka, and this is known as the Cilantro Cucumber Jalapeno Martini. I'm going to need here the Effen Cucumber Vodka, the lime pure concentrate of juice, the simple syrup, one jalapeno, cucumber and cilantro. In a blender, adding a bunch of cilantro, cutting 1/4 of the jalapeno. Remember, add little bit if you don't want a lot of spice in it. Little bit of cucumber, some ice cubes, and 4 ounces of water. And then going to close the lid of the jar and going to blend it all together into a smooth paste, or you can call it a smooth juice. Now I'm going to strain off the mixture with a strainer, and you have to do it at least 2 to 3 times so that there is no residue of the jalapeno, cilantro or the cucumber, and the juice is really very thin and clear. So till the time the juice is not clear, just keep on doing this process. I did it for 2 to 3 times. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients in a shaker. So adding the fresh cilantro juice first, then adding the Effen cucumber vodka, the lime concentrate, the simple syrup, few ice cubes. And just remember everybody, all the measurements are there in the description box. So quickly I'm going to close the shaker and it's time to shake it up. And I'm going to garnish my cocktail glasses with a slice of cucumber and jalapeno. You can do whatever you want to make it look good and refreshing. And finally, it's time to pour the cilantro cucumber martini with the jalapeno, and I call it as the spice it up. And this is a vodka based cocktail, and you guys can enjoy it in the summer or any time of the year. This is so refreshing. The tangy flavor with the sweet, savory and the spice of jalapeno does the wonders. So friends, do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Show Me's World, and see you soon. Bye bye.